17 basic wilderness survival skills everyone should know. Skill number 1: finding and purifying water. Boiling water is the easiest method to purify water. To clean out the sediments, simply use a cloth or a bag with some gravel and sand. Skill number 2: finding food. Finding edible plants to eat might be the easiest way to get food into your body. It's important to know which plants are safe and which aren't because some are extremely toxic. Skill number 3: navigating. The compass is an important tool to carry with you. If you don't have one, you can use a compass app in your phone if you have one, or use the sun stars to navigate your way out. Skill number 4: knot tying. Being able to tie a knot is a super handy skill to have. You may need to repair something, build something, or hold something up. Skill number 5, I think. Mental attitude. Mental attitude is essential for survival. Try and maintain calm. Take some deep breaths. Assess the situation, believe in yourself, and get to work. Skill number 7: basics of food preservation. Always take the weather into consideration. If it's extremely windy, you want to sit up behind some trees or boulders to help block the wind. If it's snowy, you may want to dig down into the snow to create some insulation. Skill number 8: forecasting weather. Learning to forecast weather will give you enough time to take appropriate action. Clouds will give you a good cue to what the weather will be doing. Skill number 9: basics of clothing repair. Knowing a few basic sewing skills will help you sew and repair clothing, shelter, and shoes, allowing you to use these items for a longer time. Staying warm in winter. You can create a survival fire bed to keep you warm and provide a good night's sleep on cold nights. Starting a fire. The simplest way to start a fire is with sticks. There are three of the most common ways. First one, the hand drill, bow drill, and fire blow. Make your own rope. You can use rope for repairs, for fishing, for snares, for lashing, for first aid use, and for securing different things. There are a variety of ways to create rope. Some of them are bark sinew from animals' tendons, the hem of your pants, tugban, milkweed plants, and tall grasses. Basic hunting skills. Knowing a few basic hunting skills will increase your odds of actually succeeding in obtaining some food. Creating hunting tools and weapons. Hunting tools and weapons can come in handy in all sorts of situations related to food gathering, safety, construction, and destruction. Basics of first aid treatment. Some issues that you could come across are burns, scrapes, punctures, fractures, sprains, dehydration, and stings. Sending a survival signal. A few different helpful signals are a whistle, a fire, smoke, a mirror, or a flashlight. And then locating a good campsite. I believe I should put this first, right? So when you're choosing a good campsite, make always sure it's close to water. Well, this is it. Thank you for watching, and I hope you like this video, and if so, you know what to do. See you on the next one.